Okay, hello everybody. Today I will explain about the data collection methods in qualitative research. Okay, for this meeting, uh, the data collection method is a part of the methodology. Yeah, a part of methodology in qualitative research, and you will learn about the what is a data and how to collection a data through the interview or maybe observation or maybe a documentation or something else. Okay, and you will view about a qualitative data analysis after that. Okay, or we can say it a KDA, qualitative data analysis. Okay, and then analysis has three congruent flow of activity uh, in qualitative research. Yeah, one is the data condensation. Yeah, data condensation, and two is a data display. Okay, you will show the data from primary data maybe or maybe a secondary data or another data from observation or documentation. And then three is conclusion or driving or verification. Okay, this is three step, yeah, or three flow in qualitative research in analysis. Okay, you can find this flow on Miles Haberman book, okay, about qualitative data analysis. Yeah, you can find the source, yeah, on that book. Okay, and then the data condensation. Yeah, first the data condensation refers to the process of selecting, focusing, and simplifying, or maybe abstracting or transforming the data that appear in the full corpus of written field notes, or maybe interview, transcript, document, or something else. Okay, and first, yeah, what are you? The first, yeah, first you will learn about the data. What is the data? Data is the unit of maybe information. Yeah, data is a unit of an information. Information is uh, include in a number maybe, yeah, number or maybe a interview record or something else in observation maybe or in documentation capture. Yeah, that's data. But after you gather the data from interview, yeah, transcript interview or maybe a document on maybe on on observation, you will face the first flow. There is a data condensation. Yeah, you must selecting and focusing interview transcript. Yeah, the interview transcript is the few information, but you don't need all of them. Yeah, you don't need all of them. Yeah, you must choose that output of interview. Yeah, you must select, you must focusing about your research problem, yeah, to find the solution in your research. You must simplifying interview transcript. Yeah, you must abstracting or maybe on transforming the data appear in full corpus. Yeah, you must transforming from the abstract interview transcript to meaningful transcript maybe. Yeah, by the condensing, yeah, we are making the data stronger. Yeah, by the condensing, we were making the data stronger. We stay away from the data reduction as the term because they imply we are weakening or losing something in the process. Yeah. So the first step is very important. Okay. The data condensation. Okay. Then data condensation is not something separate from analysis. Yeah. It is a part of analysis. Yeah. A part of analysis. The researcher decision. Yeah, you must, yeah, The data chunks, the code which pull out, which coded label based summarize a number chunk with evolved story to tell are all analytic choices. Usually, the researcher use coding technique, to selecting and focusing or simplifying, output of interview transcript. Data condensation is a form analysis that subtends, sorts, focus, and discard unorganized data in such way that final conclusion can be drawn and verified. Okay, this is the first line or maybe first flow. If you do the qualitative analysis, if you have to gather all of data, but to gather all of data from interview or maybe on observation, you must take a time, maybe a long time, to interview the respondent or maybe interview the informant on observation their activity of informant. You must collect them all, and you will face the first step, there is data condensation. Okay, in this part, you must subtend to connect into your research problem or research focus. Okay, and then the second flow or second major flow is data display. Is an analysis activity is a data display. Generally, is display as unorganized, compressed assembly information that allow conclusion drawing on action. Okay, to generally a display is an organization, compression and assembly information. The data display is show, you must show, you must display, you must display the data after the data is condensed. After the data condensed, you must display that. For what? For what? To easily read it. To easily read it. Okay, maybe in this material in daily life, display vary from gasoline gauge to newspaper to Facebook status updates. Looking at the display help us understand what is happening and to do something. You must display the data and look the data. The data not just a number, but the data may be a picture or maybe an interview notes or transcript, or maybe a document. You must display the data after you condense. Okay, looking at the display, looking at the looking at the data, you will help, for the data. You will understand what is happening about your data and what must you do, in the next step for researcher. With the next step for researching, either analysis further or take action based on the understanding. You must understand what your data collected. You must understand what your data collected, and the data must be read. Must be readily. Readily. And then the third flow, the third stream of analysis is conclusion drawing and verification. From the start data collection, the qualitative analysis interpret what things mean by noting pattern first. But in the last, after we follow our flow, first flow, second flow, and the last flow, the noting pattern is to be the more pattern. The more pattern, meaning pattern, and give the explanation, causal flow, or maybe a proposition. The competent researcher hold this conclusion likely. Maintaining openness of skepticism, or maybe conclusion are still there, vague at first, or then explicit and grounded. The final conclusion may not appear until the data collection is over. If you follow the step until 1, 2, 3 step, but you more need more data from interview. Maybe you must collect them again. You must collect them data again. Until the data collection is over. Depending of the size of the corpus of field notes. You must see in your research field notes. How many people you must interview, how many activity you must see in observation. Okay, the coding, storage, and maybe the method you use in collecting data. The sophistication, the researcher, and any necessary deadline of to be met. Okay, this is the last activity in the last flow in qualitative data analysis. Okay, the conclusion have a Gemini configuration. Okay, conclusion are also verified as the analysis process. Verification has been brief, a fleeting second through crossing the analysis main during writing, and write a short execution back of field notes, or it may be true and elaborate with lengthy argumentation. This step from condensation until the conclusion, okay, you can see with this interactive model, collection, data display, or maybe condensation, okay, and the last conclusion, and is connected each other, connected each other. But the first step is data collection. You maybe through the data condensation, or maybe through in data display and conclusion. Okay, this is from Miles Haberman. Okay, qualitative data analysis. Okay, then thank you for your attention for this meeting. Okay, maybe any question you can send me a message, about this meeting in qualitative data analysis on data collection methods. Okay, maybe just like that. Thank you for your attendance, and thank you so much. See you next time.